1998 Porsche 993 Cabriolet. Price, $86,500. Location, Alabama. The 1998 Porsche 993 Cabriolet is more than just a car, it is the final expression of Porsche's legendary air-cooled era. A chapter that enthusiasts still consider the purest form of the iconic 911. With just over 41,000 miles, this example presents itself as a rare opportunity to own a piece of automotive history that continues to grow in desirability year after year. The driving experience of this cabriolet is nothing short of exhilarating. Powered by a naturally aspirated 3.6-liter flat-six Variorem engine, paired with a precise 6-speed manual transmission, it offers a level of engagement that modern sports cars often lack. The moment you press the throttle, you feel the raw connection between machine and driver, amplified even more when the top is down and the engine note fills the open air. The exterior design of the 993 generation remains timeless and instantly recognizable. Finished in factory Schwarz black, this cabriolet features smooth integrated bumpers, classic round headlights, and striking 17-inch cup to chrome wheels. The power-operated soft top allows you to transform the car in seconds, turning every drive into an open-air experience whether you're cruising through the city or along scenic roads. The interior stays true to Porsche's driver-focused philosophy. Inside, you'll find power-adjustable seats, air conditioning, cruise control, and the original Porsche CDR-to-1.0 stereo system. The 2+2 seating configuration adds a level of practicality, while details like the analog clock and VDO gauges maintain the car's classic charm and authenticity. The value of this vehicle goes beyond its performance and design. As a California car with a clean history report and over $7,000 in recent service records, it offers both reliability and peace of mind. More importantly, the 993 generation is widely recognized as the last air-cooled 911, making it one of the most collectible and sought-after Porsche models ever produced. The 1998 Porsche 993 Cabriolet is not just about getting from one place to another, it's about experiencing the road in its purest form. For collectors, enthusiasts, and anyone who appreciates true automotive craftsmanship, this car represents a rare chance to own a timeless classic that delivers both emotional excitement and long-term value.